Hello everybody, welcome to our Hello Core Word YouTube channel. Once we talk about conditional statement, we see if else, if else, if, nested if, we talk about. In this video, we will talk about ternary operators, which is the shortcut of if else. Right, now our topic is about ternary operator. I always do these, unary operator, binary, which is arithmetic, relation, logical, assignment, all of them we done. Right, now in this we will talk about ternary operator or conditional operator, which is related to conditional statement, which is the shortcut of conditional statement. Let's do it practically. Right, I want to jump to dev C++, okay, and I want to start my coding. One thing more, that if you are a new student in our journey, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss our new video. Right, okay, let's start. Let's start with coding. For example, I want a variable string username, right? For example, user name is equal to whatever it is, but I want to take admin. Now this variable name, username, it's have a string and the value in the data is admin. Right, now I want to do that. I want to solve that problem in if statement. Right, first of all, if username is equal to, right, we study all these things, that this is what, right, is equal to what, is equal to admin. Now in this case you can also don't use these brackets, curly brackets, simple, you can see out. If it become true, execute this statement. Which statement? You are allowed. Simple, you're allowed. What does it mean? We know better. If this condition become true, it will execute the statement. Else, simple, else, see out, not allowed. You are not allowed. Right, not allowed. Right, simple program, in you know better because we done these things already. Right, if you don't know, just please check the videos. I think it was 9, 10, 11 these videos. Right, okay, if I want to run this program, just take a look. You are allowed because the test condition, this condition become true, and we say if the test condition become true, it will execute the statement, else it will jump from this statement. If it become like this, like its name is James, right, now the test condition become true, it will say you are not allowed. Okay, we done that things in if statement, conditional statement. Now just do it in conditional operator, which is ternary operator. Very important topic. Right, okay, let's try. Okay, I say like this, that username is equal to what, admin. It means like if, it means like this, if the username is equal to admin and it become true something, it become false something. Now what does it mean something? If it become true, allowed. Right, simple, right, allowed. If it become false, right, not allowed. Allowed, just simple, at the end semicolon. Now take a look here. It means if username become admin, it means if it become true, this means this operator means in ternary operators, this means true. If it become true, it will say allowed. If it becomes false, this colon. If it becomes false, not allowed. Simple. Now if I want to run, there will be no problem and no error, but the problem is here that we have this statement, we have this data, but we want to store somewhere, and that where is called, for example, result. Now result, now if I want to run, it will give an error, and the error is that a result was not declared in the scope, because result was not declared in the scope. Now it's fine because it doesn't have its own type. we have user variable which its type was not declared. Because of this, now it's fine. If I want to run, there will be no output because just let me in comment section, leave your comment and tell me why. Just pause the video and do it. Okay, because we have a variable result. Because of what? We have to use cout and we have to cout the result. Now it will give the output. Now what will be the output? Not allowed. Because not allowed, the string, the username becomes James. If the username become admin, now it will say allowed. Wow, the magic. Very useful and very my favorite operators, which is ternary operators, right? Now look, but I want something more that I don't want here every time. I just want from the user cout, we study all of these things, enter your name, right? This enter username or enter your name. What happens to typing? Enter your name, please, right? Enter your name, please. After that, I want an indel and cn what? Username. Simple application and simple. Just take a look the difference between FLs and the beauty between ternary operators. This is called I want to comment ternary. You can also take a notes for long time, right? Ternary operator. One thing more that from my experience of 12 years, 15 years, 10 years that I work in programming is that please take a note. Take a note of learning something new. If you want to learn something new in good way, you have to just take a note, right? And okay, it was an advice. Now just enter your name, please. It will take me name Han, not allowed, right? If I come Jane like the Gemma, not allowed. If I come and write admin, allowed. But one thing more here. One thing more. Professional know about it, right? If I write admin like this, what will be the output? Look, what will be the output? I write admin. Just leave your comment. 100% leave your comment and pause the video and try it. What will be the output? Admin. I write admin. What will be the output? 1, 2, 3. The output will be not allowed. Why? Someone say I write here admin, right? Admin. But why it become false? Because this admin and this admins are not same. This A is small letter and this A is capital, because we say that C++ is case sensitive. What? Case sensitive, I think like this. Sorry, case sensitive. Case sensitive, it means that this admin and this admin, they are not same, right? One is like this, admin, and one is admin. These are not same, right? It has its own meaning and it has its own meaning in C++, right? Now, because of this, it becomes false, right? But if I come here and write admin, it will give me not allowed. Why? Then I know اشتكى. Yes, okay. Admin allowed. This was all about for this video, my dears. In this video, we talk about overall on ternary operators, which is also called conditional operators, which is the shortcut in the shorthand of conditional statement. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, like and share it with your friends as well, and do subscribe for more videos, my dears. Thanks for watching, my dears. I will see you next time.